Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today is the one of the most biggest challenging job. We had a complete decaf for the generator number 1, 2 and 3. So after the decaf was completed, the ship staff wanted to try out the generators, but they found that all the readings were missing. And we had some Linkso technician visiting on board, and they did something. After that, all these readings were not coming for all the 3 generators. So we started tracing, troubleshooting, and now as you can see, all the 3 generators reading are in line and they are working completely fine. So in the morning hours we started the job, in 30 minutes we rectified the thing. So let me tell you what exactly was the problem. As we can go in over here, you can see these are the control console power supply and it is working completely fine. But in the down console we saw that there is no supply which is coming through a Linkso power supply unit, which was failed in the pan. So we rectified the thing, and right now you can see that this number 1, number 2 and number 3, all the alarm monitoring system are working, are in line. Okay, so now we have a chief engineer of the ship. Chief, how was your comment about the work done by the team engineers?
Yeah, because the one expert is here, so that all the problem is rectified.
Rectified. And now one more your problem, preheat jacket water heater, that is also solved. You can go and you can try out your both the heaters for the generators are working. Now you don't have to go for the cold start, you can start. So any wishes for the team engineers from your end?
Pardon?
Any wishes for us?
Yeah, job well done and appreciated with the help of our good electrical superintendent, Asad.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you very much. And Junior, how's the learning experience? Are you learning the new and challenging things or not?
Yes.
Yes, you are happy. In your last company, did you learn this job?
Yes, some things I learned, some things I don't.
But this is a challenging one.
Yes, because this is my first write-up as independent, so this will
Okay, but how is your experience with us? Are you learning with our team or not?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. All is in back line. As you can see, Consberg also we have finished, and just only we will power up the Consberg system and try out. Here I end my video. Thumbs up and please do subscribe and like our videos.